everyone! We're going to make fireworks in a glass. So we've got a few different items here. We've got vegetable oil, we've got a glass of water, we've got different food colors. We've got 4 colors here, an extra cup, a dropper. So let's go. So I'm going to start by adding some water in a glass. Next, I'm going to take the vegetable oil and I'm going to pour that into the cup here. Now I'm going to take the dropper and I'm just going to get a little drop . I'm just going to put 1 drop there, and then I'm just going to wash this out. And now I'm going to pick up and drop. There we go. Next, I'm going to pick yellow. Oh, looks like I didn't get any. And I'm going to, I've just added 2 drops of yellow there. Make sure to clean the dropper properly when you're trying this at home. Just 1 drop again. You can add more drops than what I'm using. Next, I'm going to grab a fork and I'm going to mix the different droplets here. Now you can see how they look in the glass. So I'm just going to pour them in. And let's see what happens. How beautiful is that? You can see the colors. amazing is that you can see all the colors just come together. So there we have it. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Have fun trying it out. Until next time.